Amazon can be a bit of a pain in the ass, especially with things where they just want you to carry on doing things and maybe you don't want to do it. Maybe you've taken a bit of a break from your e-commerce business or haven't even gotten started yet, and in that case you'll want to make sure that you reactivate your Seller Central account. Now, how the hell do you do that? In this video, Rosie Kovacs is going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, if you like this kind of information, where we're showing you how to get yourself started on Amazon right here in Australia, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions, comments or feedback, comment below and I will answer it personally for you. With that being said, over to Rosie.
When you first create a seller account and then you don't actually use it for a while, like you don't create a listing for a few months, what tends to happen, and a few people have experienced this, is that your account gets deactivated, but Amazon doesn't tell you. So everything looks normal. So you can go into your account and you can look around and everything. And as soon as you try to create a listing, it'll come up and tell you that your account is deactivated and you have to reactivate it. So if you do experience that, just follow the instructions. You'll get a button to click on reactivating. It usually asks you to revalidate your credit card or update your credit card. If your credit card details or debit card details are still correct, then just resubmit. You know, you don't have to re-enter the card number. And from memory, it's been a while since I've done this, but I think they also do come back and ask you to resubmit your ID documentation. So if it's been more than 6 months since you actually created your account, just double check that you've got a bank statement that's within the last 6 months. So you may have to use a more recent one. So there's nothing to worry about. Your account will get reactivated, but it's just something to be aware of. If you are planning on, like, you create your account and you're planning on selling fairly soon afterwards, then that's fine. But if you're not going to be, it's going to be some months down the track, then maybe think about postponing creating your account until you're ready.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. Over 2,500 members and counting, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.